Good morning students. Once again welcome in online classes. In previous schedule we have learned chapter 1, that was rational number. So in that chapter we have learned introductory of rational numbers. Now we will continue these rational numbers in chapter 2. The operations are there. So operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication and all four operations we will learn: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we will learn addition and subtraction, that is also called find the sum. So this I am showing you some examples of your this worksheet 1. From worksheet 1 I am solving question number 1. It is add given, add, and I am solving third part. Question is 2 3 by 11 plus 9 by minus 11. First of all, we will convert this rational number, this mixed number, into improper fraction. So 2 into 11, 22 and plus 3. This is the procedure how to convert this into improper fraction. 2, this will be multiplied this 2 into 11, 22 and plus 3. This is 25. So this will become 25 upon 11 plus 9 upon minus 11. In the next step, you remember this in the denominator never negative sign should be there, means we will convert this into standard form. This I have explained in chapter 1 also. So this we will make standard form. So this will become, in standard form when we will convert, this will become minus 9 by 11. Now we will find the LCM of 11 and 11. LCM of 11 and 11. So LCM will be same because both are same. So 11 only. So next step is when the both are denominators are same. So simply we will add their numerators. So 25 plus minus 9 and this will be divided by 11. So this you count how much it is coming. This is 16 and what will come? First of all, okay, let us open the bracket. So this will be 25 and positive of the negative 9 upon 11. So this will be 16 and upon 11. So this is your answer. If you want, you can convert this into mixed number also. So that is not necessary. If you will write this also, it's okay. Now another question you see, when the here you see denominators are same. I am taking one more example when the denominators are not same. So such type question you have solved in class 5 also. You remember how to add subtract of fractional number. This is the same procedure of addition and subtraction of fractional number. Only here negative sign is there. That time we have not learned negative sign. So you see one example of question 2 I am taking when the denominators are different. I am taking third one, 5 upon 8 plus minus 3 upon 5. So first of all we will find LCM of denominator. So LCM of denominator 8 and 5 is, you can see both are not divisible by any number other than these two. So this will be 4, 5, then 2, 2, 5, then 2, 1, 5. This is the procedure of finding LCM. So LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So LCM is 40. Now you bring this 40. This we will convert this 5 upon 8 will be converted into with denominator 40, means we will make both the bases, both the denominators same. This you have learnt in class 5. So we will multiply this 5 by 5 to make the denominator same. So this will become 25 upon 40. And this also minus 3 upon 5 will be multiplied by 8 upon 8, so that it will become 40. So whatever LCM, that much we have to bring all the denominators. It will become minus 24 upon 40. Now we will solve this. So this will become, instead of this we will write 25 upon 40. Here we will write so, and plus minus 24 upon 40. And procedure is same. We will write what I have told in previous question. When the denominators are same, one time we will write, and we will add that or subtract the numerator. So it will become plus of minus bracket opening integers law 24 upon 40. So this will be 1 upon 40. This is the answer of this question. Okay, so I am assigning writing some question for homework. Thank you.